Speaking of nightwear, you can have a girls' night over, and look at this. These are test tube shot bottles. Wait, hold on. This is supposed to be a rainbows video. How did we get here? Welcome home, dream girls. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, I am a black man's dream, and this is a black man's dream fashion. If you guys are not already subscribed to the channel, I hope that you will consider doing so. If so, click on the subscription button down below and the notification button so you'll know each and every time the Dream Girls is here. And if it's anything that you guys would like to see, anything that you would like to know, anything you would like to see me stop doing, make sure you comment down below, because if you don't say it, I don't know it. I hope you guys absolutely enjoy the video. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Rainbow Sleepwear. Look at the robes that they have. I mean, you can kind of switch these up. You can wear them indoors, or you can make this into a nice little blouse as a cover up to go outside in. And also over here, these are a lot more comfortable. They also have them in a nice variety of them, which is really, really cute. I like this one, the zebra print. That is really nice. You see the gowns that says love on it. And then you have the short sets, which are really, really cute. I like the polka dot one that's right here with love on the front. So Rainbow really have a big variety of sleepwear that I want to bring to you guys' attention. This is really cute. You're not just looking pretty when you're outside. You want to look nice and loungy on the inside and always put together. This is really, really cute. Look at the tie-up underwear that they have here. They are so pretty. This is really nice. Look at the back. For anybody that's into these type of underwear, these are really, really cute. Really nice. And they're very inexpensive. The bras, let's take a look at that. They're not as hard and as stiff as people may think that they are. It feels pretty nice, but you will actually have to try it on to see. But it's really cute. And then you have the different underwears, the boy shorts and stuff like that. That's really, really nice, as well as the lace ones. So Rainbow has a very nice variety when it comes to underclothes and night clothes. A nice solid padded push-up bra. This is really nice. And then it has the lace in the back. So the quality of it looks pretty good. It's not really stiff, and the price of it. Okay, you guys, so the sleepwear is no exception to the rule. They do have a good sale on the sleepwear also. It's on sale. They have things on sale that's pretty nice and comfortable and cozy. To finish off a nice sleepwear, let's see about the body wash, how well that is. They have it in, you can't really see it. Okay, so we have wash away pink. So let's see, you can't open it up, but this looks pretty cute. And then you have it in all of these other summery colors. We're gonna see if they are on sale. Yeah, they are on sale because of the color is more summery like. So they have them on sale for, it looks like 2 for $5. We'll have to see at the register. I'll let you guys know. This one is Wash Away Rainbow Spring. And then this one is, the green one is Spa Day. So they have a large variety of nice little things that you can take a shower with. This is birthday cake, uplifting and hydrating. Then you have pink is a body scrub too. And then you have over here a key lime and the pink again. And you have unicorn, fruit. Oh my God, they just have so many things. Almond, coconut scrub. I think I'm gonna try these out and let you guys know. You can have a girls' night over, and look at this. These are test tube shot bottles. Look how that is so cute. Set of 6 shots and rack. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. You have a little slumber party with your girlfriends over, and then you take shots. That is so cute. All right, Dream Family, all that I did on this video is about night clothes, because we don't only want to look good on the outside, you want to also look good when you're on the inside. And Rainbow has a nice selection of clothes for inside wear that will keep you looking absolutely beautiful, keep you feeling absolutely beautiful, because on this channel, I believe that everybody deserves to look and feel absolutely beautiful. So I want to introduce to you guys in this video all the clothes that Rainbow has, lingerie, night clothes, and things like that, so that you can stay looking beautiful even on the inside. So I want to step back and show you guys an outfit that I picked out. It's not really night clothes, but you guys might have also seen this on the sales rack. So I'm showing it to you guys as a night clothes outfit, something I want to wear on the inside because it's cold when you have the AC on. Also looking cute while I'm inside. So I'm going to step back and show you guys. All right, you guys. So this is the one that I picked out for myself. It's not actually in the night clothes section. And I paired it with these shoes. It feels nice. The material is really soft and, you know, really cozy, really nice for inside the house. This is cute. I'm pretty sure you guys saw these shoes a lot, and me, I didn't want to wear them outside, but I thought that they would be really cute as bedroom shoes, so I paired it with this outfit, and it's absolutely cute. Okay, so I did pick up one of the body scrubs. I picked up the birthday cake, because I love the way like cookies smell, candles and stuff like that, so I picked this one up. All right, so let's go ahead and try this out on video so you guys can see how it smells and see how it works, if it scrubs and exfoliates the skin really nicely. Just from me taking off the wrap, I can smell this. It smells really good so far. It smells almost like a baby instead of like cake. Foliated, so I'm just gonna, well, it came out really, really runny, so I don't know how that's gonna work so far. The fact that it came out so runny, so let's see how this works. It just feels like a little, it smells really good. I almost smell like an Avon product though. It smells like a baby. It doesn't have a whole lot of foliation in it. You can barely feel it. It just feels like one of those really inexpensive lotions that's really, really runny. That's all it feels like. Let's see. It dries really well. It doesn't leave the skin looking greasy or anything. And the smell seems like it fades out really fast. So, no. Anyway, guys, I hope you absolutely enjoyed the video. Comment down below. Let me know. And let me know what you guys would like to see next. So, until then, I'll see you all in the next